In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get read receipt in Outlook. If you want to know whether the person you emailed has opened your message, Outlook gives you a simple option called a read receipt. This can be useful when you're sending something important and you'd like a little confirmation that your email has been seen. Keep in mind, though, that a read receipt is only a request. In some cases, the recipient may decline it, or their email system may not send one back. So while it can be helpful, it's not always guaranteed. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're on the main Mail screen. Once Outlook is open, click on Mail so you're in the Email section of the app. This is where you can view your inbox, sent items, and create new messages. Next, click New to start composing a new email. This will open a blank message window where you can set up everything before sending. After the new message window appears, click Mail if needed, so you're working in a standard email message and not another item type. Now look toward the top of the message window and click on Options. This area includes extra settings you can apply to the email before sending it. In the Options section, find and click Request Read Receipt. Once this is selected, Outlook will attach a read receipt request to that specific email. After that, you can begin entering your email details. Add the recipient's address, type your subject line, and then write your message in the body of the email. At this point, everything is ready, and the email will include the read receipt request when you send it. A quick tip here is to enable the read receipt before sending the message so you don't forget it. It's also a good idea to use this feature mainly for important emails rather than every message, since too many receipt requests can feel unnecessary to recipients. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Mail, create a new message, go to Options, click Request Read Receipt, and then enter your email and message. Once you send it, Outlook will request confirmation when the email is opened. And that's how to get a read receipt in Outlook.